Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. I want to show you a product that was sent to me. I'm not affiliated with the company at all. I get paid nothing if you buy their products or not, but I will put a link so I'll make it easy for you. These are from Trigger Cannons. They make all kinds of products, so go through their website. You're going to find products that preppers or patriots can definitely use in trying times. This is a very easy way to secure your perimeter. It's sort of foolproof because it's nothing electronics, there's no batteries that go out in it, and this is going to work when everything else has broken or have failed or have run out of spare parts or batteries. So this is from Trigger Cannons. I'm very familiar with these units. I actually have one of these already. I did not have one of these. So I know exactly what I was expecting out of these things. Let me show you how they operate. Basically, you're going to mount them to a tree, a fence post, anything. You could mount them to a stake if you had nothing else to, and put them in a field. And you're going to run a tripwire. They do provide some wire if you buy one of their kits. I like their product so much, I actually, right before I'm making this video, I ordered another kit. I ordered the Gen 1 green set. Because I didn't want them to be sold out if I made a video. Because these are excellent. They can go in your pack and you could rapidly deploy them anywhere. Even if you went camping out in the boondocks and you want a little bit more security at night around your campsite, you could put these up. So we got two models here. One is the Perimeter Alarm Gen 1. They have come out with a Gen 2 that's called the Quad 12. It basically allows you, I guess, to have more tripwires running off of one unit. And then they have the micro one. It's the micro trip. Let me activate these so I can start showing you how they work. Make sure you wear hearing protection. Basically got a tripwire. Somebody walks in front, pulls your tripwire, and that will definitely alert you. Same thing with this micro one. Basically all that's in there is a number 209 primer, and it will go off. Alright, now we can play with them safely. Basically you can screw them to anything you want. There's holes provided. This is a well-made set. I have a bunch of these. I don't even know who makes these. They're good. They're not even close to this. Much better quality by far. So basically this one will unscrew if I can get it with one hand. Don't know if I can. Well, I can always do this. So basically these are the components here. You just basically put a primer, shotgun number 209s in here, screw it together, put your hook anywhere you want, and screw that in. This is the box that it comes in, and it comes with everything you need to set it up. This one, you use basically a 12 gauge shell, and you put a primer in it. You can also, they sell an adapter, so you can slip your primer in there and then slide it in so you don't have to carry these around. Either way you want to go. The kit that I purchased comes with one of these, I believe, so that's good. They make all kinds of things for them. If you're a reloader, you can definitely just reload your own, just basically a primer in a case. But they sell these. There's what your primers look like. They also sell these things they call a flashbang. If you look down in there, there's something in the bottom. These are loud. I mean loud, 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 scary loud. Hurt your ear loud if you're close. If I would have shot this in here without hearing protection, I'd probably be done for the rest of the day. But this is what happens to them. These are definitely louder. You can still hear both of them in the woods, so it's really not an issue. They also make a pepper gas. I'm not going to open this because I don't know if there's any residue on the outside of this. But I've not tried the pepper gas. I don't know how I'm going to try it. I guess I can shoot it and then walk upwind and see what effects it has on me. So I need to try that. So if you're looking for ways to improve your security, go check out Trigger Cannons. This is a well-made product. I mean, very well made. It's not going to fail you. Thanks for watching.